cut corners. To reduce expenses. For example, I often cut corners in order to buy something for my brother. Pretty penny. Something expensive. For example, the dress she wants for her birthday will cost a pretty penny. Through thick and thin. To stay by someone's side in both good and bad times. For example, my friends are always there for me, through thick and thin. Beat around the bush. To avoid saying something directly. For example, Jason's neighbor kept beating around the bush and did not give a direct answer. Hang in there. To stay strong during a difficult time. For example, hang in there, everything will be okay before you know it. Break a leg. A way to say, good luck. For example, the teacher asked us to break a leg at the annual day dance. Steal someone's thunder. To take attention or praise away from someone else. For example, Monica claimed that Rachel tried to steal her thunder. Call it a day. To stop doing something for the day. For example, after the movie, we had planned to go to the beach, but we decided to call it a day as everyone was tired. Better late than never. To do something later rather than not at all. For example, well, we thought it was better late than never, but where are the others? To be at loggerheads with someone. To quarrel or disagree. For example, Tom and Jerry are always at loggerheads about who gets to play first.